In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows Hello Face Recognition on Windows 11. If you're experiencing issues with getting your face recognition to work properly, don't worry. We'll go through some simple steps to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Before we get started, let's make sure your device meets the necessary requirements, as Windows Hello needs a compatible infrared camera to function properly. First, let's check if your camera is compatible. Windows Hello needs an infrared camera to work correctly. The quickest way to check this is through the Device Manager. You can easily access it by pressing Windows and X on your keyboard simultaneously, which will open a menu. From here, select Device Manager. Once you're in, expand the Cameras section by clicking on the small arrow next to it. You're looking for an IR camera, which might be labeled as something like IR camera or Windows Hello Face software device. If these options appear, it means your device has the required hardware for Windows Hello Face recognition. If you only find a standard webcam listed, it's likely that Windows Hello Face recognition isn't supported on your device. This doesn't mean your device is flawed. It could simply be designed differently without the necessary hardware for this specific feature of Windows Hello. Now let's move on to the Windows Hello settings to ensure everything is in order on that end. To do this, you'll want to open Settings. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the letter I together. Once in the Settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Accounts. And from there, click on Sign In Options. Under Sign In Options, you should see a section for Facial Recognition, Windows Hello. Take a moment to confirm that this option is available and properly set up on your device. If it's active, there should be an option called Improve Recognition. Selecting this will allow you to enhance the accuracy of your facial recognition, which can sometimes make a difference if Windows Hello is having trouble recognizing you. Remember, these checks are crucial for ensuring that your device is properly equipped and configured for using Windows Hello Face recognition. By taking these simple steps, you can potentially save yourself a lot of frustration. Reassessing both your hardware specifications and your Windows Hello settings can resolve a myriad of issues related to face recognition. It's always a good idea to start with these basic checks before diving into more complex troubleshooting methods. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to seek out additional support, as there might be other underlying problems at play. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your troubleshooting.